Welcome to a culinary exploration that challenges the boundaries between dessert and breakfast. Today, we delve into the world of no-bake chocolate oats, a dish that combines the indulgence of chocolate with the nutritional benefits of oats. This unconventional fusion raises an intriguing question. Can dessert truly be served for breakfast? Our journey begins with the humble oat, a grain revered for its health properties. Rich in fiber, protein, and essential nutrients, oats have long been a staple of wholesome morning meals. However, their versatility extends far beyond traditional porridge. Enter chocolate, the beloved confection that has captivated taste buds for centuries. While often associated with decadent desserts, dark chocolate, in particular, boasts antioxidants and potential health benefits when consumed in moderation. The marriage of these two ingredients forms the foundation of our no-bake chocolate oats. This innovative dish requires no cooking, making it an accessible option for those with limited time or culinary expertise. The preparation process involves simply combining rolled oats, cocoa powder, a sweetener of choice, and a liquid base such as milk or a plant-based alternative. The absence of baking allows for the preservation of the oat's nutritional integrity while imparting a satisfying texture. The result is a harmonious blend of creamy chocolate richness and hearty oat goodness. But what makes this concoction suitable for breakfast? The answer lies in its balanced nutritional profile. The oats provide sustained energy and promote satiety, while the chocolate offers a touch of indulgence and potential mood-enhancing properties. When prepared with mindful ingredient choices, such as natural sweeteners and high-quality cocoa, no-bake chocolate oats can indeed be a nutritious start to the day. Moreover, this versatile dish can be customized to suit individual preferences and dietary needs. Fresh fruits, nuts, or seeds can be added to enhance both flavor and nutritional value. For those seeking additional protein, Greek yogurt or protein powder can be incorporated seamlessly. As we conclude our exploration, it becomes evident that no-bake chocolate oats challenge our preconceptions about breakfast foods. This innovative dish exemplifies how culinary creativity can transform seemingly indulgent ingredients into a nourishing meal. By embracing such unconventional combinations, we open ourselves to new possibilities in nutrition and gastronomy. In essence, no-bake chocolate oats serve as a testament to the evolving nature of our dietary habits. They invite us to reconsider the traditional boundaries between meal categories and encourage a more flexible approach to nourishment. So, the next time you crave a dessert-like breakfast, remember, with no-bake chocolate oats, you can indeed have your cake and eat it too, all while starting your day on a deliciously nutritious note.